Hi and welcome to Off the Ramp, and in this video we are going to explore the listings page so that we can see how we can find the amazing talents, crew and creatives that we are looking for. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what we're going to do is go onto our main menu and navigate to the actual listings page by clicking on listings, and we'll be brought to the page. And what's very important here is the actual search bar over here, where we will then click onto what category it is that we're looking for. So if we are looking for specific talents, crew and creatives, we can search a little bit further underneath them there and we'll find it under that category there. And same thing with the production team, we'll find the specific actual people, professions that we're looking for there. And simply by clicking on it, you'll actually get that category of listings below, along with the location as well. So you can type in where exactly it is you want to actually find these people. So type in the city, the location, whatever the province you want to find them in, and just click on search. And then what will happen is it will get the listings for you and the search filters that you can use to actually filter for the correct listing that you're looking for. So in this example, let's actually go to the model, which is the actual listings that we've created for the purposes of this tutorial, and we've listed them in Cape Town as well. So let us see. And there are the two listings that we've got, and the actual search filters that you can see are different from the art director's filters. So now we can actually search for the models using these actual specific filters, which is really amazing, because now when you have a brief that you're looking for a specific person, you can actually adjust these filters and actually see who you can actually find. And along with that, also in the search bar, you'll see some additional filters pop up for some of the categories, like modeling. You can see that you can search for either just male or female, or you can actually search for different races as well. And as I mentioned, that's in only really a certain number of actual categories. Each category will always reveal its own specific search filters, both in the search bar and the actual filter bar on the left hand side as well. And then you can actually see whether or not that they work. So let's put this down in terms of, let's go to height, because I think that is the most. So let's say we are looking for somebody at 7 maximum height. Let's go to full time. Minimum height, let's say 5. Cool. You can actually use the bars here as well. See? So nothing was found because we were out of the actual search filters. So you can use the search filters basically in any way that you want to use them, and yeah, find the correct people that you're actually wanting to use for the actual job.